Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Shazia Latif is here with CIE, IGCSE, ICT module, website authorship. Today I'm going to define use classes within a CSS. Very interesting, very important feature of website authorship. So my lecture will help you to understand what exactly are classes in CSS and how we can use them in our web page. So let's understand what classes are. It can be used as many times as needed. So it is used to give more formatting to HTML elements. Every tag in HTML can be redefined using classes. As you know all, within HTML, every tag can be defined at one time, but when we use class we can redefine it as many times as it is required. So before starting and creating a new class, it will always use a full stop and we name it first. So it uses a full stop followed by the class name. So let's begin and continue with the text editor Dreamweaver. So this is my CSS view. It's I have created one file, CSS file, cascading style sheet, and this is my HTML file. So when I view this, so this is design view and my CSS view. So here are some default setting H1, H2, H3. So I have defined some tags and the style of H1, H2 is a right align. So I would like to redefine them using classes. So I would like to change this style to be right aligned. So how would I do this? So as you know, classes is basically used to redefine every tag in HTML. So I'm going to define them step by step, H1, H2, H3 within CSS. So my first option is class, select it and name it first. So my is right align H1. So I will give the same name H1 and color of is blue and alignment is set. Here I have created this one class, right, H1. So means this is my H1 tag which I had created in CSS tag. So in using class I have redefined it. So same like I will redefine H2, H3 one by one. So let's have and change, redefine H2, color will remain same, blue, and alignment is also same. Select this. So let's define one more tag, H3. It will have a same color, blue, with the same alignment. Right. So I have created these three classes, H1, H2, H3. I have redefined them using classes. So let's change a paragraph style. P, name it first, and color is, suppose I would like to have this color for a paragraph, and your style is, no, let's have the same color and alignment is also same. Right. So now class, how would we know? Because it begins with a full stop. Paragraph class H1, H2 and H3. Let's see and have look. How would we know? Classes has been defined and it will show our look in it. Just see and look. When I click on this, so it will show all my classes which I have recently created. This is a paragraph. This is for H1, H2 and H3. So wherever my text is begin with this is subtype of H2 called a write H1, H2, H3. So it is the first example, and when we are asked write your name here, last edited by, suppose I write here edited by so also use a class here, suppose this one, or use H1, so it will change class. Now let's have one more example. If you view a source code of this, so when I open the source code, you can see it here. I have called a classes in this area. So let's create 3 classes for a different table, because I have designed one table which I would like to have a BG color red. I would like to have a BG color for this table is green, and I would like to have BG color for this table is yellow. So let's change the BG color using classes. So go and open your CSS file and define different classes for the 3 tables. So create one new class by name table red. Just go and select background for this table is red, apply, select and create one more class table green, because I would like to set BG color green. So my class name is also table green. So okay, so set a BG color is green. So last one is table yellow. So because I would like to set a BG color of this table is yellow, so select a yellow color from this. So here are, these all are classes which I have redefined them, tags which I have redefined them using classes. So table BG color is red, table green, BG color is green, and table BG color is green. So if you go and open this your web page and check, how would we know these tables colors have been defined? So as I click on classes, so these all are my tags which I have recently redefined. P my paragraph tag, write a line H1, H2, H3, and you can see them clearly. So this is the BG color, table green and table red and table yellow. So as I click on this, so I would like to change the cell color of this. You can even change any color from this class. Suppose here I would like to yellow. Okay, so I would like to change a blue color here, green color. I would like to change the cell color of this table is also red. So this is how I can change a different color of this. But one point is really important to understand. I would like to set a BG color of this, background color of this. So just go and select this table. Go and open your source code and call the same class here. If I write here class, so set a color from here for this red. If you see and design view, so it will change the BG color of red. So just see here and you can change a red color from this. Same like if I select any color, no color in it, so you can have the same color through within HTML with the markup language. So this table is, this is my table where is my table is begin with this tag. So use a class, the same class which I have recently defined. So class and select color green. So if you see, so look, rest of all cells are green. So I have set the BG color for green within HTML markup language. So select this table and also select this table and change through HTML markup and use a class in HTML markup. So again, as you click here, so you can call a class here and select class and yellow color. Look. So this is how we can change a background color through classes. So I guess it's enough for today. It's a really important feature of HTML, of website authoring. So I hope my video is helpful for you. I would like you kindly leave your comments in the comment section. So stay tuned for my next video. See you soon. Allah Hafiz.